And welcome to this street photography POV vlog where I wanted to record my process trying to capture a photo for the monthly-ish photography challenge by Lintaro, his channel Samuel L Street Life, and this month's challenge is to use a sepia kind of filter style, and I wanted to push myself a little bit more and try to shoot in a square crop. In a previous vlog, I set to square crop and found it to be very interesting. So now that it's sepia, a square crop seems to be something interesting to add on top to be more fun to do. Lastly, is that all 90% of the photos would be all straight from camera, so some that might be underexposed can clearly be fixed quite easily through editing, but since I want to keep everything in camera, well, I cannot do that. I will come back again to this one place where I did edit the photos and you'll know why. With that said, enjoy this photo walk and I will see you next time. And so this is the end of day one. I went out on the second day but did not record it too much, but found this scene of a shop, and due to the new lockdowns happening here, they set up a sign basically saying that if you don't wear a mask, don't come inside, we won't serve you. And thought to try to work the scene a little bit, and thought that I might as well just go the full wide angle, but I went back and edited in again the square crop and added my own sepia filter on top. Then now in the third day final photo walk, trying to capture a few more photos, and took a different path basically to a different location. And that's the end of the photo walk. Do comment below which photo you sort of like the best, but I'll leave you with a few more photos that I'll leave you with a few more photos that I've taken but was not able to record the process of taking the photos. In that case, I will see you all next time. Have a nice day. Bye.